In this video, you will learn how to set up a free of charge demo account in MailCom's Expert.tools. MailCom Expert.tools is a browser application that provides versatile business data research and enhancement tools. Serious business professionals, marketing, sales, and purchasing managers use Expert.tools to leverage their business success. In the following, we will first of all go through the necessary requirements for the use of Expert.tools. After that, I will show you how to upload your first data file and how to create a demo account. And finally, we showcase Expert.tools capabilities by doing a keyword search on a list of websites. So let's start with the requirements. Expert.tools requires an up-to-date Chrome browser and an internet connection. Other browsers are currently not supported. If these requirements are met, we can proceed with the tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how to upload the data file to Expert.tools. When you go to Expert.tools in your browser, the first thing you will be asked to do is to select the session folder where the final search results will be saved. So let's select the folder, confirm it, and after you have done that, the file upload window appears. In the upload window, you must first select the encoding of your address file. As encoding type, you have the choice between UTF-8, Windows 1251, and Windows 1252. The most commonly used encodings are UTF-8 and Windows 1252. After selecting the encoding of your file, you can either select your data file in the File Explorer by clicking on Browse, or just quickly drag and drop the file into this gray upload area. So let's try this. I've already opened the folder with my data file named data.csv, as you can see here. And to drag and drop this file, I just left click it and drag the file into this gray upload field. After you have done this, you should be able to see the start screen of Expert.tools with your data file displayed in tabular form. As you can see in the upper right corner, no master account is connected and therefore your browser instance is also not connected. To learn about browser instances and master accounts, I recommend watching the respective video, the link to which you can find in the video description. Now we come to the main part of this video, how to create a free of charge demo account. To create a demo account, click on File, Settings, and then click on the Create New Master Account button. Now a new window appears where you need to select a subscription plan. At the moment, only the basic plan is available, but the other two plans will also be available soon. So let's select the basic plan. To avoid abuse, you have to provide a valid payment method. Therefore, you have the choice between credit card and debit bank account. Please note that the first month is a trial period and it's free. So no monthly fee applies and you will receive 1000 credits to try our software. After selecting the payment method, click on Continue. Now you need to enter password for your master account. You see the master account ID here on the screen. Please make sure to safely store the master account ID and the password in a safe place. You will need your master account password as well as your master account ID if you want to use Expert.tools in another browser, another user account or computer. If you forgot your password, please contact the MailCom team. We will help you. After you have entered your password, click on Continue. You should get redirected to the payment page. Here you need to enter your payment details. As I already mentioned, you get one trial month with 1000 credits for free. The costs after the trial month vary depending on the chosen plan, of course. The exact monthly costs you can find on the right side of the payment page under the headline Plan Summary. In our case, we can see that after the trial month, the monthly fee would be €5.95 plus applicable taxes, which depend on the country in which you are based. At the time of recording this video, you get 1000 credits each month after the trial period if you subscribe to the basic plan. So let's now enter the payment details. After doing this, click on Place My Order. As you can see, the order was successful. Now you can close the payment window and back in the Expert.tools window, click on the refresh button. The refreshing process may take a few minutes. After refreshing, you should now see in the upper right corner of the window that your master account is now connected to the browser instance and that 1000 credits were added to your credit balance. You can cancel your subscription anytime during the trial period just by clicking on the cancel button that you can find within the same menu section as the create new master account button by clicking on file and then on settings. At the end of this tutorial, I will start a quick keyword search as our first job together with you. To do this, just go with your mouse to the task menu and click on keyword search. The keyword search taskbar should now appear at the top of the page. So first of all, what can you do with keyword search? Our keyword search module allows you to search web pages for specific keywords. Therefore, you can choose between different search and keyword options. If you want to learn more about the keyword search module of Expert.tools, you can find a link to a special tutorial video about that in the video description down below. For demonstration purposes, let's just use the preset settings and enter a keyword. For example, sustainability. Now Expert.tools will search each of the given web pages for the keyword sustainability. If you hover with your mouse over the banknote icon next to the keyword search headline, you see the cost information for that module. As you can see, this module has, at the time of recording this video, 0 initial cost and the cost of 1 credit per website that has been searched. Finally, let's start the keyword search. To do this, click on the Start button and choose first of all your input column, which is the website column, and choose the outputs, that's right, and the right module settings, and click on Save. Now click on the Start button again and the job should start running. And you can see your credit balance in the upper right corner of the window and that credits are being used as the task progresses. As you can see in the progress bar, the keyword search is completed and you can now decide whether you want to start another task or export the new data file. As you remember, we selected the folder before uploading the original data file at the beginning of this video. So if you now open this certain folder that you have selected and go into logs, the new data file should already have been saved in there, as you can see here. We have now reached the end of this tutorial. I have shown you in this video how to create a new demo account with a 1-month trial period. And in addition to that, we completed our first Expert.tools task together. If you want to learn more about Expert.tools, you will find more videos on our channel or on our Expert.tools website. If you have any discussion items, questions or suggestions, please let us know by commenting on the video below. You can also contact sales or just send us an email.